Good day, mates. We are doing an unboxing video today. It just arrived this afternoon. Let's make a start. It's a bit heavy, like 5.5K. Sorry, the washing machine is still running. It's Wera Zyklop 43 pieces. Let's unbox it. I'm so happy. Let's do it. It's like art, like Van Gogh, you know? It also has a sticker. And it's like this. There's no moment. It's opened. My God, it's impressive. I guess I will read this one later. Alright, let me see how to use this. Alright, we start with the screwdriver. Let's try this one. Fits in perfectly. Nice. How do you get this out? Got it. Nice. Put in and lock. Nice. Unlock. Beautiful. Put in. Beautiful. That's my dream sound. Let's hear it. Oh. And then you put in. Lock. Nice. This one is nice. Lock. Beautiful. Alright, next one. Hey, what's this, huh? Put in. Push out, push in, locked. And then this one. No clue. Alright, goes in and you see? Going up, going down, and to the middle. Nice. This one unlocks. And this one can be extended like this. Nice. And then extend it again. Oh, how to do it? Ah, nice. Alright. Can this go in this way? No. Alright, let's undo this one. And then can this one put in? No, doesn't work. Alright, now how do I get this one out? Alright, let's leave it. Next one. That's a big one. And big connections. Oh, bro. That's nice. And then we want this. Try this one. I guess I still need to read this one and watch more YouTube videos, see how to use this. No, don't know how to use this. Don't worry. I bought this one, which means I have plenty of time to figure this out. I know this one, this is easy. Easy money. And then what else I can do on here? Then you do going this way. Go this way. Big trouble, huh? This one doesn't come out. Oh, got it. In here it says red and blue. So I guess same as this one. Red and green, they must mean something. Did I say red and green before? Oh no. Alright, thanks for watching. You are all a champion. Have a nice weekend. Bye.